So in this video, I'm going to show you how we set up a video wall or a matrix switcher. Okay, so here's still the same, the XView PC control software. So before we click to enter into the system, we need to click the setting icon here. After we click setting icon, maximum this window first. Then here we can see we have like the device. We also do the same. We just try to find all the devices. After we found all the device, and we can just go to the system directly. And go to the system, and we can just restore factory data. This is help us to make sure the devices are all back to the factory settings, especially for the video or the matrix switcher. Okay, after we did that, and then we just back to the device again and click to search. Make sure we still can find all the devices. So after found the device, next step we just click the source and click. Source means we can for the encoders, and then after we found it, and then we just choose the we can select them all and add to the source group. If we want to create a source group, we can just create the source group here. So when we try to create a source group, but it's not working, and also at this moment we cannot add it, although we already have the box checked. We cannot add to the source group. That means just because we did the factory restore factory from the system. So basically we need to do is we just need to exit and then close and restart the software again. Let's view. Okay, so we click OK to login, and now we just go back to the setting again. Then maximum this window and click search icon. So we still can find all device. The same, we just go to the source after we click to search again. Okay, now we found the two encoders. We just check the box, then we can create a group now. Right, we already have a source group, and we also don't need to create a group if we don't need it, and we can just have it delete. We can just add the source directly. If you want to create a source group, then we just do by this one. Okay, after we have the source connect, then we go to the output. Do the same, just click the search icon. After we found all the 6 decoders, which means for the receivers. Also, same, we can just click add. Then we'll just jump to this side on the right side. Okay, next step we just go to the place, which is for us to do the matrix switcher or the video setting. Just because my application is right now, I have a 2x2 video wall and I have 2 single monitors, so I'm going to set up a 2x2 video wall and also a matrix switcher only for these 2 screens. Okay, so here's the setting steps. So we have alls here, so we just click the all here, and now you will just jump to this window here. So basically the name we just put as 2x2 video wall, 2x2 video wall, and here we have the ID, and we can just put a 0 or we can put a number we want, and here just keep the same resolution, and we have 2 rows and 2 columns, and enable video and audio, and the resolution is the LCD resolution. For my case is only 1080p, so here I will just keep as 1080p, and here we need to choose as the UDP multicast, and we're just scrolling down. Here we can see we have a create. We just click create. After we click the create, then we can see here we already got the 2x2 video wall we created, and we select this one and bound the video or not, and now we can just drag the source. You see, when we drag the source, and we can see the screen is showing up differently. So basically this one is showing on this box here. Okay, and now we have the second one. We can just drag another IP which is for that screen, so we'll just put it on this box. and this one is showing up here, this column here, and another one is over here. And now we can just close this one. After we already have the receivers bound with the video wall, and we can close this window now. Okay. And if we want to have the audio and which is passing to the video receivers, then we need to bound the audio as well. Okay, so we'll just click to bound audio. So for the audio, we need to remember like which source, which IP address we already created on the video wall. We can just check it out, and which receiver we have it connected to the speaker. So we can check on the IP address from panel LCD screen. So like right now, this one we have is 192.82, and this one is 80, 81, and this one is 83. Okay, so we can just bound these 4 receivers: 81, 82, 83. Add to bound. Okay, and we can close it. So that means when we have these 4 receivers bound both audio and video. So once we have the speaker connected to any of them, then we can still hear the sound is coming up. Okay, so this is all about how we create the video wall, and we can just close it. And now we create a matrix switcher for these 2 screens. So we just create matrix switcher, click the matrix, then we'll just pop this window, and this window also the same, we need to put an ID for it. So it's going to be my number first, matrix switcher, so the name is we just put as matrix. Okay, and also both audio and video, and create. After we create, and we're showing up here, select it, and then bound the knots. Just because those knots are already bounded with the video wall, so I only have 2 knots left, then we just click to add. That's it. Then we can close the window now, and close this one as well. Then we just back to the last step. Last step is going to be just create the place, and which is allows to enter into system, and then we can choose which place. So I'm just going to create a place, and once we click the create place, it will just showing up on the place here. I also can just rename it as my demo, but in actual application we also can just name it as the real application. Maybe this one is meeting room. So when we down the rename it, we need to press the enter button then to confirm. Okay. So now we already have 2 places created, and then we just want to have the okay. Let's say if I just want to have the matrix switcher is going to be the meeting room. So just select the matrix switcher and select meeting room. Click add, and then the video I want to put as in the demo. Okay, click add. Matrix is showing here. Okay, so just because I still tickle the check the matrix. Matrix is already in the meeting room, so I need to uncheck matrix switcher and only check the 2x2 video wall. Add to the demo. Okay, so now we already have the matrix switcher and demo in the different places. So now we already have it done. Next step, we'll just exit. And now we can just click to enter into the system. Okay, so after we enter into system, then we can see here we have like 2 zones or 2 places. One is for the demo. Once we click, and then we can see here this is the video wall. Now we can drag the source from the left side to the video wall. So now we can see here we already got the video wall. I'm going to zoom a little bit so we can see how we do the switchings. So for the video wall, and we can just drag another source to here. So this is how we down the settings and do the switchings. Okay, so but if you want to do like a multi-viewer in one screen, we can do is we can just You can see here we have like different layouts. We have a 1x2, 2x2, or 3x3. Okay, so I'm just going to use a 3x3, and we can just clear all the outputs first, and then we will have this 2x2 video wall divided in a 3x3 logic video wall. We can just drag the source to the let's see here. Okay, once we select the source, we can just use the mouse to release. Then we'll just open the source directly. Okay, so now we can see on the video wall we actually have like a cross screen and these features here. Okay, so we can just also have this one save as presets. Click save here, then we just click save. Okay, and close this window now, and let's just clear all, and we want to have the select the input source, switch to all outputs, showing as a first screen, and click save as sender 2. So now we can just recall the 9 windows back, and by click the sender 1, click OK button. Okay, full screen. Okay, so this one is about the video wall, and we can just click the home page here. Then we will back to the 2 places we created, and we have a meeting room. Meeting room just because we only make it for a matrix switcher, so it's showing only like 2 windows here. So we can just drag the source to one of the display. Check it out. Okay, so this screen is here. Now screen is over on the wall. Okay, so now we can see where they have it. Switch to a SIM source and clear wall, and choose the source to all the screen. Okay, for this matrix switcher, you also can support like the multi-viewer in one screen. Okay, so we just take this screen as a sample. Once we select this screen, and here we have different layouts as well. So we just make as a 2x2. Okay, choose this one, and on this screen we can see we have a 2x2 logic screen. So we can choose the source and open it. Okay, the one here, here. So on this screen, as we can see, we have a code view, and we also have like other layouts here, and we can just click by the all layouts. And we can have the clear all. We also can save as a preset as well. Okay, save, close it. Okay, and if we have like more screens, and we can just click this one is a 4x4. That means we can show up to 16 Windows screens here. If we have a 3x3 or 2x2, and we can just set up from these different screen layouts here. Okay, if we have more than that, then we can just next page and the current page as well. Okay, so this is how we set up a video wall and a matrix switcher and create zones. Thank you.